this as a representation of what we're going to talk about. Look at that, luck. I just pressed in the spot and it happened to come out. We can relate that to your life. Sometimes you press on the right area of your life and you find the piece that's missing, or you remove the negativity. But, you see how I search and it's moving the structure. Let's use this as a representation of us. Sometimes that piece is not ready to move. Think about that for, what does that mean for you? Sometimes you have to stand fast on what you believe, or sometimes you have to work hard until you can get that piece loose. You have to find something else. There you go. There's the missing piece to balance. That balance that you have to find sometimes takes chances. And that's what I'm doing. And that's what you have to do. You have to be like this jumbling tower and take chances. I don't always know. Oh, look at that. This is pushing two different things out. Sometimes you get 2 for 1. Is it structural? We're about to find out. Look at that. Sometimes you have to go back to the foundation of why you're doing what you're doing and remove some of the negativity, and you can still stand. You're still standing, right? You still have sustenance, but you have to remember the physical, the mental, the spiritual aspect of everything. The physical, move your body, rejuvenate it, replenish it, fuel it with positive, unprocessed foods, healthy foods. Move it, sweat, burn a little bit. Do some Tai Chi, do some yoga, run, do some burpees, do some push-ups, put a regiment together. Spiritually, find something that you're connected to. It doesn't have to be what everybody else is, right? It's just something more important than yourself, something larger than life. And that's what these individual pieces are representing. They are representing more than yourself, but you have to strip it away one by one. Now, this doesn't mean you're losing integrity in what you have. This means you're finding it again. You're finding it, digging new integrity out, removing old. You have the opportunity to try, so take it. That's what I'm doing here. Each piece represents what you've gained and what you've lost. What you've gained is a newfound way to balance by removing the negative pieces, or removing some of the things that are holding you back. We can't always be the same. We have to change, and that's what we're doing. Sometimes you can take the easy piece, strip the layers down that are the easiest. Sometimes you try to go for the hardest pieces at the very base. Look at that. And they move where and when you need them to. Mental, physical, spiritual. This is a very good representation. I hope that you can play to a little bit of Jenga or a little bit of jumbling tower and review this and reflect on this as you. You are the structure. You have to remove things. You have to strip yourself down to sometimes the bare minimum and see what the purpose, reason, and feeling is. And then you can start to find your foundation again and become the true self that you want to be, or the person you're working toward. That's just it. You have to take a chance. Even the hard piece that might bring it all down, you have to take a chance. Go take a chance. Go be bold. Go enjoy life. Try new things. You never know. You might still be standing.